Hello guys, this is Ghost Power. So today I'm going to show you a way on how you can make money from Coinbase. So I want you to watch me showing you step by step how you can watch video from Coinbase and get paid. So I will show you everything completely. So you need to watch this video from the beginning to the end if you want to make free money. The first thing is for you to click the first link in the description. So there's a first link in the description. Click on the first link. So once you click on the first link, you will now go and create your Coinbase account. So to create your Coinbase account is very simple. Enter your first name, last name, email address, enter your password, accept the terms and condition, and they will ask you to verify your account with your ID, maybe national ID, passport. You can use one of those things to verify your account. So that is what you can do. It's not what me I can show you. It's very simple. They will ask you to scan your ID, and you scan it from their mobile app, and you will now have access to everything on your account on Coinbase, and you will now start using your Coinbase for cryptocurrency mining or staking. It depends on what you want to do, but today I'm going to show you how you can make money for free with Coinbase. So once you have create your account, enter your first name, last name, email address, password, and accept the terms and condition that you state that you are more than 18 years old, and you click on create account, and your account will be created with your password. And when you log in, it will ask you to verify your ID, like I said. And then once you are through entering your ID, like scanning your photo ID, like I said, either national identification or passport, you can use one of those and you are good to go. So once you have done that, then you will now go to your Google Play Store to install the Coinbase application. Let us go to Google Play Store to install your Coinbase application once you have created your account by clicking that link. So once you're on your Google Play Store, you click on the search button and search for Coinbase. Search for Coinbase and you'll find the application. You have to install it if you have not installed Coinbase. So once you have installed it, you will click on open. So once you open, it will bring you to your Coinbase account. As you can see, currently I have $31. This $31, honestly, to be honest, I didn't like put this money in. I make money while I'm watching video, taking quiz on Coinbase. That is how I'm making this money, and I know that you will make money in this way too. All you just need to do is to watch me step by step, showing you how you can make money online with Coinbase. So the first part on Coinbase, you can refer people to Coinbase. So if you click on the application, if you click on this dot icon, which is the dot icon you can see at the top there, you click on invitation here, you will see that you can invite a friend. Any friend you invite, you will get $10. So for you to be eligible to receive that $10, your friend have to at least buy or sell $100 cryptocurrency on Coinbase. That is how you can be able to receive these $10 if you refer friend on Coinbase. So you refer friends on Coinbase, you will get $10, but your friend have to at least spend $100 on Coinbase to be able to get this Coinbase. You can just charge up your Coinbase account in a very simple way. The money will still be yours, so it will not lose. Just deposit money inside, like buy or sell, and you will now be eligible to uh, receive money or take quiz on Coinbase, so that you'll be able to get money, and you still receive $10 if even when you take quiz on Coinbase. So we'll get into that. Let me show you how you can buy cryptocurrency. Let me say you want to buy Bitcoin. Go to your watch list, click on Bitcoin. If you say you want to buy Bitcoin or other currency, then click on trade. So when you click on trade, it will ask you want to buy, sell, or convert. So we want to buy cryptocurrency or want to sell. You can say we want to buy, click on buy. And here it will ask you to enter the amount of cryptocurrency you want to use to buy. You can say, okay, we want to buy, let me say we want to buy like $100 cryptocurrency, and you will see your a prepaid card. If you have not entered any prepaid card, like a credit card you want to use to pay this money, the money is still yours. If you have not entered it, you will see, we ask you to enter the credit card at the bottom here. But if you have entered it, you will see it will pop up just like my own just pop up now, and you will now click on preview, and you will now buy your crypto on $100 cryptocurrency. So once you have bought it, then the money will now be active on your account. So as you can see currently right now, like I said, I have $3 and 20 $32. Sorry, I have $32 on my account. So how can you make money with cryptocurrency while you are with Coinbase while you are taking quiz? So you just need to scroll down on your mobile app on on Coinbase. Just scroll down, keep on scrolling, keep on scrolling. You will see this section that say learn about Chilizy, and you will earn money. So this part is that if you click on discover rewards, so in this section you will see that you can watch video, you can take quiz, and you make money. So all you just need to do here now is to click on one of those quiz that they have. As you can see, all those quiz I have taken them, that you see that is not enabled again to watch. So I have make money with this application Coinbase to make money while taking quiz. So you can see it here. You can see even the refer a friend get $10 once you spend a maximum amount of $100. So you refer a friend get $10 once you spend minimum amount of $100. So you get refer a friend get $10 while your friend at least use maximum amount of $100. So to take the quiz, click on this quiz here. Once you click on it, then the quiz will now start. The details will now start going on here. So you are taking the quiz right now. So you can see it's an Ethereum token that allows blah 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 blah. You see it continue going, and all you just need to do is to read all those question or all those things that they are giving out, the details there. That you are just trying, you are learning and you are getting paid. So you are learning all those things, then they will ask you a question at the end of the quiz. So all you just need to do is to relax and patient, follow the instruction and the quiz and what they are asking here, and just follow it, follow the quiz, and see the image that they are showing. And at the end of the quiz, they will ask you to select one of the question, and when you select it right, you will get $1. For this quiz is $1 you are getting. As you can see at the top here, you are going to get $1 while you answer this quiz correctly. So you answer it correctly, they will give you more option to answer it correctly. You say what is the main ultimate what is the main utility of the CHZ tokens? So it's a select answer to earn $1. CHG. Say participating in fan token offerings, paying for sport goods and services, creating smart contracts, staking. I can say like paying for sport goods and services. You click on it, it didn't work, so I need to try. Let me say participate token funds. Yes, it works. So you say you just earn $1. So you can see you just need to, let me say I need to screenshot this. Okay, I just screenshot it and I click on next, which is the next quiz we are going to take. Click on next, then you are going to take the next quiz. You just see that by just taking all those quiz, I just get $1. So that is it. That is everything I'm just saying. So another quiz is just going on now as we are talking right now. So all I just do is to read all those quiz, look at the right question, select the right question, and at the end of the day, I'm going to make $1 for just taking all those quiz. So that is how it works. It's very, very simple. So all you just need to do now is to go and start using Coinbase, start making free money. So you can see I'm using this on my smartphone and I'm making real money with it. So as you can see, the second quiz just almost finished. You see, through their expansion, Chile's plan to launch new fan tokens in New Zealand, in EI Salvador, in US, in China. So which of the country do you think that these people are going to launch their CHZ? I can say US. We can say click on yes, I got it right. As you can see, it said you just earn one CHZ. So the reward is finished now, so I need to wait until other time. They will notify me again when there is other quiz, maybe in 1 week, 2 weeks, and I will come back again, take the quiz, and I make more money. You see that I didn't do anything. All I just did is to just patient for the quiz to complete, and I answer the question correctly. I make $1. So you can make $1 to $10 when you are taking this quiz. It depends on the company, depend on the cryptocurrency that is launching, that they want you to take quiz about them, and you are getting paid for that. So that is it, and you are going to be making free money while you are using Coinbase. I want you to go and start using Coinbase just right now. So what I want you to do for me now is to click that subscribe button, and I want you to check out my website, which is www.ugodspower.com. Don't forget to follow me on my social media, which is I am Rigospower on Facebook, I am Rigospower on Twitter. So I will say thank you very much. Don't forget again, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thank you very much, and peace out.